super sweet summer blush. Aurora French manicure tutorial is here. Water-sensitive ice muscle no. The tint is thinly applied twice on the whole hand. The base is painted with smudge glue without lighting. Take Bingtu Tea Cave number 22. Click in the middle of the nail surface and turn away. Let it stand for a few seconds and let it automatically fade. After adjusting the blush with a puller pen, light it up. Coated frosted seal. Take the non-flowing sticky diamond glue with a paint pen. Draw textured French outlines at your fingertips. Use a stylus to adjust the shape of the lower corners. Lighting for about 20 seconds. Take 4-color solid state Aurora powder no. 02. Rub the mirror back and forth on your fingertips. Wipe it with a clean cotton head and it will be brighter. Sweep away excess dust. Use a sponge strip to gently move the sides and leading edge. Polished flat. Sweep away dust. Apply a layer of reinforcement glue. Be sure to wrap the corner lights so that the Aurora powder can last long. Finally, the whole armor is coated with crystal plating and the seal is completed.